Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. So a few people have asked for an update on the house. So I'm filming this, tomorrow's trash day bulky item pickup. You can see all the stuff in the front. So this is what the house looks like from the outside. Kind of blah. We're going to put some exterior paint this weekend. Outline some darker color, and eventually we're going to put some brick toward the bottom part, like, let me see, right around there'll be some brick. It'll kind of give it a little bit of more character. So this is what it looks like from the front. Okay, so I'm going to walk in here. Okay, so this is my little courtyard when you first walk in. I just had that bench. It just got delivered today. I love it. I like colorful things, so I have various colorful things. Real cute. So this is my little courtyard, okay? These planters, I'm going to paint them. And I'll show you guys what it looks like when I paint them. Kind of a terracotta color, burnt orange. Okay, over here, these are more planters, and this is a beautiful water feature. Those right there, these are suns. They're ceramic suns. My husband is eventually going to put them up. So these are my plants that they go like that. They're viney. So I really like those. And when this is turned on, it's beautiful. So when I have this place really looking the way I want, I'm going to show it to you. When I get these painted, that should be soon. So when I have it all cleaned up, I'll show you the after. So look at this. This is my latest project. We're doing this in the courtyard, okay? This was the before colors. Look at this. Just cement colors. It was just cement. And that's what it's gonna end up looking like. Oh, it's gonna be nice. One more down. We're gonna do just the bottom part right there, and that last one. And this part right here can only be stained because this is where the fountain water comes dribbling down. So we're gonna have to just stain that. But it's coming up really good. We're hard at work. So today's paint day. They've done a lot of the painting. They're not completely finished, but they've done a lot. Big difference. We're also going to put some stone right around here, right here. Some stonework. But it's looking good, looking real good. So the paint's done. Okay, so they're still going to put a brick right there. It's coming along. So here we go, you guys, right here. This is the paint job with the stonework. I think it really came out nice. Compared to the way it looked before, it was really plain. And there's the garage door. Okay, so the house looks, I think, a lot nicer than it looked before. Okay, so now you go into this little courtyard. So here's the courtyard, okay, before you get into the house. We painted our planters right there. I gotta get a plant for that one. The one that I had in there died. But look at this. Isn't that pretty? Just all the plants. We put that up, very nice. Put a sun up there. Okay, and there's my little bench. As I said, I like color. So now look at this. We're going to eventually maybe stain that solid cement part because we couldn't paint it. But doesn't that look beautiful? And you can hear it in the background. It's so pretty. Okay, so this is my little courtyard. I could sit out here and hang out when it's not too hot or too cold. Okay, so now let's go inside the house. Okay, so coming inside. So this right here, this front area is kind of an office area. And there's my little dog Chewy. Okay, so when you go to the right, you come in here, and this is like a little casita. It's called a casita. It's a kind of a guest room. And this is a private entrance. Somebody staying here can come in and out. And a big closet, just a closet, and a bathroom. And just a basic bathroom. Okay. Okay, so coming out this way, going into the main living room. Okay, so this is the front room. So basically, you guys might remember a lot of my old furniture from the other house. It all just worked here. You know, it's just pretty much just one big room. And if you remember the videos of my friends and I hanging out, everything just kind of just fit in the one big room. This is how we are slaves to this dog. All his little beds are over there in the corners and the little nooks. So basically, big windows. And the kitchen is over here in the corner. Okay, so this is my bar area, my countertop. And it's just very different. It has all this rustic appeal. I really liked it. My husband and I mean, the more current, now updated houses, they look different. They're all kind of beige and gray. And I don't know, there was something about this house, the rustic feel. We really liked it. So this is where I do all my videos and everything. My husband's running out of the way, trying not to get in. So the other people left me that beautiful clock and everything. It's not the right time, but and left me all these goods. And just coincidentally, I was able to make it work because I loved it all. So let me show you. All that is turquoise, and look at this. Turquoise is in my rug. I happen to have this, and it all just kind of flowed with my colors. Got a little throw rug right there. Isn't it funny? Because I always loved red. Okay, so I don't know if any of you guys have seen, this is a trash can right there. They said it was red, but still, I thought it was so nice. The people who lived here before had that trash can, and I had never seen a trash can that wasn't silver or that metal color. And I ordered that on Amazon. So, okay, so this is off of the kitchen. Right here, this is my husband's area, his bar. Have a bar right here. Look at that, some nice pictures. So I'm gonna go this way. Oh, I just banged into something. And he has this little sign right there. It says Cantina. So this is his little area. It's a bar for when we entertain. Very, very nice. And then I have my pantry in there. My pantry with all the goodies, all my stuff. Really nice. Okay, and then I go this way, and there's a bathroom. And I love this. This is my laundry room. Look at that. It's huge. I have a lot of space. Very nice. I want to show you something. When you use these big containers, they often drip. And I found these really cute. These are that Pioneer Woman thing. Isn't that cute? Just little bowls, so when it drips. I don't know. I thought that was cute. And I bought this online, Amazon. I love my laundry room. Okay, so this is the kitchen. So I'm gonna show you the other side because I don't think I ever showed this side when I was making that other video. This is one of the rooms. It's very cute. I guess there was kids when we bought it. I guess we bought it off of somebody who had kids. They left this. It was very cute. And we like the color and everything. We don't have kids, but it's still very nice. for somebody, my niece and nephew who have kids. So that's very nice. And it has a bathroom over here. It's like a Jack and Jill. There's another room on the other side, and my son's in there, so I'm not going to film. Okay, so now we're going to go in there. See, there is another room over there. So coming out of these rooms, and if I go to the other side, that is where my master bedroom is. The master bedroom is on this side, and the little casita is over there on that side. So this is the master bedroom, and I think I've showed you guys that wall. I love that wall. It's very different, but we didn't have our bedroom set yet. And so we have a bedroom set now, very nice. And I was going to show you guys the bathroom. So there were a lot of things about this house that were very unique. I mean, look at this. This tub area is massive. It's huge. See, and these countertops are very high because the ceilings are very high in this house. I already have my little beauty area. That's where I do my makeup and everything. But one really very, very cool thing about this house, I'll show you. Ladies, you know when you walk in somewhere and you go, ah. This closet I heard harps, I heard angels. So it has one of these things that you see in department stores. I couldn't believe it. I mean, this was more than I ever had. And yeah, this was a pretty awesome closet. That little section right there is for my husband, and everything else is pretty much mine. Pretty funny. And the shower goes all the way deep in there. It's like a double shower. It's a double-headed shower. It's very big. So now coming out of my bedroom, going across, there is that area up there that is the loft. This is officially a one-story house, but the loft was extra. So walking up the stairs to the loft. Okay, and this is the loft. Now we have some furniture. We have a television in here, and there's a couch, and there is a closet and a bathroom right in there. And I ended up buying these I have to show you these little plants that come down like little vines. It's very cute. Okay, so this is the last part right here. We have these. This is the outside, and there's like a room way back there where we could put some furniture, and that is the outside area. So this is the loft, and I'll show you the downstairs part where those vines are. So those are the vines. Kind of cute, huh? I just did that for extra, just to add a little something. Let me show you the backyard. So this is the backyard. We have a big patch of grass, which isn't that easy to find in Las Vegas. A lot of the houses these days do not have these big pieces of grass. We have a big barbecue area. Eventually, this is going to be all pool. We're going to have a big pool, and we're going to leave a little patch of grass, but it will be beautifully landscaped eventually, but it will have a big swimming pool. So coming back into the house. Now, honestly, when you don't go on that many vacations when you're younger, when you really try hard and try to invest your money, try to be wise with it. If you're lucky, your investments work out. And that's what happened with us. So we were able to pay off our house in California. And when that happens, and the market goes crazy as it was the highest of the markets, we were able to pay our house off, sell it, and move to Nevada, buy this house cash, and we have no mortgage payment. It just worked out for us. So yeah, we had a little extra money to put in that pool. Now, was anything easy? No, it wasn't. We worked our tails off, and we were very lucky in a lot of ways, but we worked hard, okay? So I just want to let you guys know that's how we ended up. There's houses that are bigger and nicer and more extravagant, but we don't have a mortgage payment. So that's where I say we're winning. That's the big thing at this point in our life, to not have a mortgage payment. Makes things a lot easier. So thank you so much. A lot of people ask me how the house is, you know, what ended up happening, how did you, they wanted a tour. A lot of people were asking me for pictures. And so I decided to make a video and share the way it all looks now. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I usually cook, but you're part of my family now. So just wanted to share my new house. And I'll see you next time.